know it's one and only Edlin Mutsamai, and I'm actually here to also teach you something else. Make sure you do actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also tell your friends about it, and also comment so I know what you want, and let us be a buddy. Okay, buddies, right? Right, today this is something very simple. Please make sure you got a pen and paper, because I'm going to also spell for you this time as to these top 9 websites as well as apps whereby you can actually find a man or a woman and get paid at the same time. Also, another disclosure is that some of those apps, these apps that I've done already, I actually went and experimented with them on a tablet, okay? And therefore, some of them need a VPN. So make sure that you get a simple VPN, which is called Super Unlimited Proxy. I do actually have it on my tablet. I wish I could show you now, but I'm busy videoizing. So make sure you get a VPN for some of them, okay? And then state that you are in United Kingdom or USA if you are from an African-based country and you're watching me right now. Please, guys, make sure you're subscribed, okay? So the first one that I have to speak to you about is called Meet App, which is MEETE app, whereby you can actually speak to people, or a man or woman, or if you're bisexual or you're gay or whatever you are in terms of preference, you can speak to somebody and earn money with coins. The amount of coins you have to get determines how much you're going to get paid, okay? And it's kind of like a wallet on the top. So therefore, you can also take it out with PayPal. Another one is ToChat, okay, which is TOCHAT. ToChat, you can still find a man or a woman and still get paid for it, okay? Whether it's PayPal, Venmo, or it's up to you what you're going to use, or Payoneer. It's up to you. ZTalk is a good place for you, a platform for you to make money, which is ZEETOK. But the only problem with ZTalk is sometimes it blanks out. That's why I don't like talking about it that much to people when I'm advising them about money, okay? Because sometimes it blanks out, but therefore you can try your best. It also pays you in coins, so the amount of people that you talk to is the more you get money, okay? And you actually can send it to your PayPal. You and Me, I have tried You and Me as well. It's UENME. Okay, please note that sometimes You and Me will actually ask you for moderation. Same applies to Rent a Cyber Friend. I will speak to you about it after this, whereby they're going to moderate you for 4 to 7 days just to check if whether you're suitable a candidate for those foreign nationals that you're going to be speaking to if you're African. Okay, so therefore it's UENME, You and Me. Okay, you can check that website as well. The next one that I also tried out was Rent a Cyber Friend. Now, with Rent a Cyber Friend, they moderated me for 4 to 7 days. With the other one, the new one that I opened today. Okay, so therefore the old one, they did that same moderation, and I'm actually making about $200 to $250. Okay, which is per week. It depends on how many people you're talking to. Okay, and they moderate you too. Okay. Another one that you can also check is Friend PC, okay? But I don't like it that much, but it's okay. You can try it. It's Friend, and then it's P, and then it's C, okay? The next one is called Rent a Local Friend, okay? Now, Rent a Local Friend, same. You have to moderate. Sometimes they do ask for a VPN if you're in Central Africa, so make sure that you do get a VPN so that you can get paid, okay? Make sure you also open up a PayPal account. It is on Play Store. PayPal, which is PAYPAL for those who are African. And then therefore you open it up, and then you open a new email address, and make sure that you have a PayPal system in order for you to get paid this money, okay? Then you can connect it to your bank. Another one, the last one, but not least, is Friendly. Now with Friendly, it's spelled like this, is PHRENDLY, okay? PHRENDLY. With Friendly, it has to have a VPN, okay? You have to either be from United States or the Oceania countries. I'm saying companies. I'm going to a meeting soon, guys, so don't laugh at me. As well as you need to be from the UK, okay? USA, UK, or the Oceania countries, okay? So therefore you need to have one, okay? I hope this assisted you today, guys. I am actually in a hurry. Please make sure you do subscribe. Please share this video with people that need this information. Also, please also write in the comment below. In the comment, I'm going to put a link. That link is all of my digital products, just to teach you as to how to even start an online business from nothing, from $0. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. And I love you so much.